Rock and come in, my beautiful people. Welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Just rock and come in, and you don't know what you do. Like, share, and comment. Now, my beautiful people, now today me have a nice reaction video for the item. There's always two sides to every story, and I believe if you don't hear the two sides, there's no way you can judge. You can put judgment on one side of the story. So it is good always to listen to two sides of the story before you start to judge one side. So this video here, when we go react upon, we need to know if you work with me. Like, share, comment on this video here, so that means more people can get this video so we can have conversation and talk. So make we go into the first part of this video, because this first part of this video is very, very intense. Watch it.
To my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Rosa, Vibes with Rosa Mix Up and Chill, and we have Vibes with Rosa Adventure.
My people, did you see that reaction? Such a nice, calm, beautiful reaction introducing her channel. Did you see that? All right, continue watch.
TV, one of Colaz Smith TV team member, Teabag. And you may come out. Yes, Teabag. And you may come out, Teabag. You see a man, Teabag. I mean, know you go watch that video yet.
My beautiful people, you see that expression? Do you see the expression on her face when she start to talk about Teabag? Look, take a good look at this expression. This is not an expression of an individual who hear something. That expression is of a person who know exactly what happened in this situation. Let's continue.
This video is not about disrespecting you or calling you names, but telling you the truth. No. Teabag, you may come out. You see, man like you know.
Now, my people, do we how this lady is operating? There's nothing Teabag can tell her that she'll believe Teabag. Nothing. She already do the case, find Teabag guilty, and ready to throw him away. There's nothing this lady, continue. People, did you hear what she just said? She said, me here. She said, why did you do her such thing? Patrice, yeah? She here. So she don't know. She here. So immediately, she didn't do any investigation. She didn't do nothing. All she do is immediately chastising Teabag because whatever Patrice or whosoever tell her, she believe everything that person said. And then, if you can look at her face, the expression, I think something like this happened to her. Yeah, we go continue. Yeah, man, we go continue.
Teabag, me hear boy, you know. Yeah, man, me hear what you did to Patrice allegedly. I heard what you did to Patrice allegedly. Now, I want to know if...
My people, would I like everybody go to their dictionary find that word allegedly. If if something is allegedly hearsay, you hear one side of the story, but you not go with there could be two things to the whole story. You going with one side of the story. So continue watch.
Colors know anything about this because I guess Colors is the one who would think maybe let you know about Patrice because she is a subscriber, she is a contributor, she's a sponsor, big sponsor.
Now, Rosa, I don't understand your logics. I don't understand your talking. But this is what me go say to you. When you use Colaz Smith name like that, that's wrong. Number one, that's wrong. You cannot say you think a Colaz Smith make them connected because she's a subscriber. She comes an adventure. You don't know. You don't know if. In other words, is you have no idea what happened because once you on the adventure, you go talk to all the people on the adventure. You don't know what happened between the two of them, but you cannot put Colaz Smith name in the thing. Colaz Smith name is easy to call, but you can call Colaz Smith name when it needed to call. Right now, in this situation, it never need to call. You never need to call Colaz Smith name right there so because you feel that Colaz Smith have something to do with it. It's not like the lady is overseas and Colaz Smith gave Teabag our number. The lady come on adventure. So once she come on adventure, she go get to see Teabag and you have no idea where she said to Teabag or where Teabag said to her. Come on, man. Leave Colaz Smith alone out of the thing. If you go deal with Teabag because right now, allegedly, everything where you say out of your mouth, allegedly you have no knowledge, you have no proof. Make you watch.
Living in the US, right? And they get to find out that you allegedly use Patrice. Yeah. After Patrice allegedly buy you a car, the car crash, and Patrice fix up back the car. No, car are not something where cheap. Car expensive thing. You know much people there at Jamaica where you see if you buy one car 3, 4 years and then can't buy the car because car is so expensive. No. I heard that this woman, yeah, this woman talking for a long while now because she come at
That's the tricky part right there. That's the tricky part right there. You heard, in other words, you hear, say them attack for a very long time. Me, see video where is 1 year old, where them Teabag and this lady was at the airport. So this a relationship going on long time. A lot of relationship go on for a long time and get sour. Then broke up, things now go right. Then does not see eye to eye no more. Now this lady is going to say fear. She go say what happened on fear side. She now go tell you what she did. But right away you take the side of the lady. And then you will say, allegedly, man, Rosa, you wrong panda one yeah. Remember me tell you, me watch a lot of your videos and me I tell you wrong panda one yeah.
Jamaica to you too. She come for adventure because we see her for adventure, Patrice. The lady making a house for you. Me get to understand. Allegedly, she making a house. Me see her make one house there on your channel because me watch your channel and me see her
Rosa, let me tell you something. I'm want you listen. Me hope you all me go tag you so you will see this video, yeah. Let me tell you something about when you or any woman find a man and want to help the man to buy a car or build a house. If you cannot afford to lose that money, do not use that money to buy no car for give a man. Do not use that money for build no help no man build no house if you cannot afford to lose that money. So in other words is, if that money, if you lose the money, you go have a problem. Do not spend the money upon a man or not spend the money upon a woman both sides. So what the lady did, the lady was in a relationship and want to help the man if that's what happened, because me no know. If that's what the lady did, and then the relationship mash up, she can't get back her money, that is her mistake. That is her problem. That's not your problem to get up and a beat down Teabag for. Because apparently them have a relationship. And if them have a relationship and the relationship a go good, and she believe, oh yeah, I want to spend my money, that's up to her. Yeah, that's up to her.
This lady Patrice, you trick her. You make she feel like say you want her when you never did really want her. You just use her and nyam her out. You nyam out the woman and dump the woman aside. Nyam out the woman, you trim down the woman and nyam out the woman. You scam the woman. And that you do. As far as me I hear say, the story me I get about youth.
Here we go again. The story where you get, where you hear say, the man name out the woman. Rosa, or Rosa, whatever your name is. Let me help you out a little bit. Again, if you cannot afford to lose the money that you go send to a man, any which part him there in the world, don't send the money. Because a lot of relationship build, a lot of relationship fall. No relationship, you do know what go happen in a relationship. So to you, Rosa, because you are killing all your teeth while talking about the situation, provingly that it already happened to you. Yeah, man, something like this already happened to you. In other words, is, you know, a song will say, money can buy love. Yes. A lot of women use money to get a man attention. And then when the attention not given, then all hell break loose. Me not say that happen still, you know. But all hell always break loose because none of us was hearing anything about this relationship unless we see it an adventure. Until now, that's they're not together no more. Now you go get fear side. However, if you go over upon Teabag channel, Teabag said he have videos and he have things he can show. But him not do that because he's just not like that. So what if Teabag would show what he have? Then what would you say? You would still say Teabag is lying. Make you watch the video.
Why you do it? Why you did such thing to Patrice Garden? You don't have sister. You don't have auntie. You don't have family. Why you did such things to Patrice? If you know say you never want Patrice, why you never tell Patrice say, listen, me not really want a relationship, but we can be friends. You could have tell the lady say, make we be friends, and it is up to her if she still want to continue do what she's doing. I get to realize this lady help you so much.
My people, li- listen to what this lady really has say out her mouth. She get to understand the lady help her so much. So Teabag have his channel and Teabag is over Colaz Smith. So that means Teabag is making two money. So if Teabag is making two money, one from Colaz Smith, one from his channel, so that woman is giving Teabag her money. So if she a give Teabag her money, in the comment down below, tell me, guys, tell me if somebody a give you money if you wouldn't take it. Tell me down below in the comment.
Use the lady send you how much time the lady help you with car, help you with house, allegedly. And this is the counsel giving back to the lady. You, I'm gonna tell the lady say, you don't want her. Teabag, why you do it? I heard that you allegedly tell this lady say, you don't want her. You was only using her. That's what I.
People, now stick up in right there. If Teabag tell this lady, say him Teabag don't want this woman, what is wrong with you want to cut off a relationship? None of us, not even you, Rosa, don't know what was going on in the relationship. You don't know what did go on in the relationship. If the guy said that, why the guy said that? Relationship can happen, and you believe it not gone away. You believe you just not feel comfortable no more. The person want to control you. You know we are Jamaican, so the controlling business not gonna work out. And if you are try to control, you know what gonna happen. The Jamaican go be like, we ain't that car, we ain't control business. You have no idea what conspire in that relationship. Make you go and watch.
I heard that's what come to my ears that you did just a user, and most of the time when she call you, your woman they around, but she only keep silent.
Here is another part where I want to talk to you, Rosa, about that. A Jamaica, you there? Do you believe a Jamaican woman I go sit down and listen to another woman, I call him our man, and just keep quiet? The only way a Jamaican woman I go do that is if that woman in at the cahoose with Wagwan. And if that woman in at the cahoose with Wagwan and that woman over foreign, I send out all our money, come give her, come give the guy, that's that woman problem.
That's what I heard, Teabag. Allegedly, that's what I heard. So, while this lady sending you money, helping you to do all different types of things, you lead on this lady in love, make she feel like you want her and you're in love with her, you manipulate this lady in a love, and
guys, manipulate, lead on. To each and every body out there where I watch this video, me need to know if you help me, comment, make we discuss a lot of these areas in this video. Now, leading on a person, you see, can happen in a lot of ways. But what I want to say to Patrice, and what I also want to say to Rosa, you as the woman, you supposed to make up your mind about where you're going. You're supposed to use your brain and stop using your money. Use your brain and stop use money to get man. Because when you use your money to get man, the man go take the money. The man now go turn down the money. The man go take the money and do him want to do with it. So stop say the man lead her on. She have all right as a grown woman to do her own investigation, to make up her own mind, to think about what if this no work out. Am I able to lose all this money I'm putting into this man? Remember that. Always remember that. So while beating down Teabag, you should turn some of this onto this lady, because so far all me I hear is Teabag, why you do this to the lady? You shouldn't do this to the lady. But you now say the lady shouldn't send her money go to Jamaica. The lady should not. I think your thumbnail said the lady get broke. If you don't have the money to send go to Jamaica, go build up house and buy car, give people, don't do it, man. Do not do it.
To feel like, yeah, you and I there, you is her sweetheart. When you damn well I know say, you know what, this woman you just a try to just meow out this woman and get what this woman have to offer to you, Teabag. Why you did? Why you did? You know what I like them so here? Me not like them so here. Me is a woman and I don't.
So it's personal. Did you hear that? That's personal. So in other words is all viewers and subscribers, Rosa, Vibes with Rosa, or Rosa, whatever she name is, she's not thinking about the two sides of the coin. Immediately she get one side of the coin and immediately she takes side. Immediately she takes side and she take the lady side, because of course she's a lady. And of course it already, this happened to her, you know. She used her money to buy love and never get what she want. And that's why she's so upset. She's very upset. Anyway, my people, we go finish the video right here, so we just want to just say my 2 cents on this one, because wrong is wrong and right is right. And what me have to say is to Teabag, if you do this lady wrong, you shouldn't have done it. And to this lady Patrice, if you are tell lie pan Teabag, you shouldn't do it. It is not good to do them kind of things. If you cannot afford to lose that money, you must not. What me say? You must not use your money to buy love. Again, make this be the first and the last you do it. If you do it. Not allegedly, no. If you do it, because me not sure if you do it. Apparently, Rosa is so sure that is what happened because of what you tell her. But anyway, my people, like, share, comment. Yeah, man, comment and share this video so that whole heap more people can get to talk to this video, can get to see this video and to see my reaction upon this video, because, you know, that's my opinion me I put out there. So anyway, if you don't have nothing good to say, just like what Rosa does, I do, not say nothing. Peace. I'm out. See you next time.